Welcome to our video on the 12 common blunders tourists make when visiting Blackpool. Although Blackpool is a unique destination, tourists often make mistakes when they don't study their destination well enough. Even after researching, some may still face unexpected issues that can ruin their holiday plans. Today, we'll discuss 12 significant mistakes that can be avoided with a little more vigilance. It's a big mistake to visit Blackpool during the off-season, when some attractions may be closed. July and August are ideal months for beach activities and enjoying the sea. June can also be a good option if you prefer slightly cooler weather, but visit only on weekends as weekdays may be dull. September isn't bad either, but avoid visiting outside these months. Tourists coming from big cities like London may expect Blackpool's trams, trains, buses, and taxis to function similarly to other tourist areas. They'll be surprised to find no Uber in Blackpool, and that trams don't accept contactless payments. Be prepared with enough cash, or be ready to walk, as most tourist attractions are within walking distance. While credit cards, debit cards, and contactless payments are accepted in many places, it's recommended to bring extra cash for small expenses, like ice cream or peer games. Be aware that contactless payment limits exist, and using ATMs may result in extra fees if charged in your local currency. Blackpool, like any tourist destination, can attract pickpockets. Keep your belongings secure and avoid placing wallets in back pockets. Dress in a way that allows you to fasten your belongings close to your body. Many tourists forget that Blackpool is in Lancashire, which has the wettest coast in England. Despite sunny days, it's wise to bring a lightweight waterproof coat as a precaution against unpredictable weather. Gambling can be financially risky and potentially addictive. Set a budget for entertainment and stick to it, avoiding the temptation to spend too much on machines. Donkeys have a day off on Fridays in Blackpool. Be aware of this and plan your donkey ride for another day to avoid disappointment. Valhalla, a popular attraction at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, can get you wet. Bring a waterproof jacket, or be prepared to buy an expensive poncho at the entrance. Plan ahead and purchase tickets for popular attractions, like Blackpool Tower and Madame Tussauds, in advance. Tickets can sell out, or be more expensive if bought on the day. Staying outside the city centre may seem economical, but you'll likely spend more time and money travelling to attractions. Stay in the city centre for easy access to the majority of points of interest. The illuminations have a long history, but may not live up to some tourists' expectations. Be aware that the lights are only switched on from late August to early November. Save money by purchasing a Blackpool Resort Pass, which offers access to key attractions with just one ticket. You can order the pass online and pick it up, or have it mailed to you. Have you or anyone you know made one of these mistakes when visiting Blackpool? Let us know in the comments below. We appreciate your input and would love to hear about your experiences. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that these tips help you avoid common blunders and make your Blackpool visit more enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.